channel, and welcome to this video, this vlog. I don't even know. This is part 2. I don't even know. You'll have to go check out part 1 if you haven't already, just for the explanation, because I honestly I can't explain it. But I still have to finish cleaning my apartment. So quick little recap of what I've got to do. Fold and put away all my laundry. I need to clean up all of that stuff. I also want to wipe down the ledge and like the shelves and the table. And then I gotta make my couch again. Then table needs to be wiped down and cleaned up. My poor flowers that I tried drying, but they did not dry out properly. It's fine, I'll do something with them. I want to clean up all this, wash that, wash the mat, dishes. I want to clean out all of my cupboards and like wipe them down and reorganize them a little bit. All my snacks. Same thing for my fridge. Take everything out, wipe it down, reorganize. Gotta clean up all of this stuff. I need to vacuum and mop my hallway. Bathroom I just finished. All I need to do is wipe down the counter, the sink, and the mirror. And then my bedroom. Finish washing my sheets, clean up all that, and then I want to reorganize all that. So let's get started with this part first. I also only have a couple of hours because I've been doing this since probably like 9 a.m. and taking a million breaks in between. If you, again, go check out part 1. And my friend's gonna come over later and we're just gonna do a nice, chill, relaxing, hangout, movie night, whatever. Because she's an amazing friend and wanted to come cheer me up because I was bawling my eyes out this morning. Let's go clean. By the windows. That's like sucky. Kind of leaked out and got on the sill, so I'm gonna try and wipe it off. I'm pretty sure it's just gouache, so it should reactivate as soon as I wet it and just come right off. Okay, my phone is not doing justice to how pretty the light looks right now. Like, the sky is so pretty, and then there's just a little bit of orange coming through the crack of the other side. It looks so pretty. Morning. I may or may not have just spent the rest of the night last night watching Two Broke Girls. Don't judge, you procrastinate too. You can't even lie. So, I just got up. I think it's 7 a.m. What time is it? Whatever. It's like 7 a.m. Oh. Okay, I know me. And I know if I don't go right into doing shit this morning, I'm not gonna get shit done. Because I don't get anything done after like 6. After 6, I'm out. Actually, no. After like 3, I'm out. I don't do anything after 3. Whatever. So, 7 a.m. I'm gonna make some coffee. And while my coffee brews, whatever it is, I'm gonna go take the recycle out. Because I've been putting that off, and I'm pretty certain I'm gonna have to do at least 2 trips with the amount of recycle that I've accumulated. So I have recycle down there, and then I have all of that. Still gotta do dishes. I've already explained all this, and I did not put any of my laundry away last night. But I lost my sweater, because it's in here somewhere, and I don't know where. Oh, there it is. Oh my god. Okay. laid down for a couple of hours. I just got my friend's package because she asked me to order something for her. And I'm gonna quickly make some lunch and then we're gonna go meet up. Yeah, we're gonna meet up in a little bit and go hang out at the studio. I'm gonna make some tortellini. But all that's left to do to finish cleaning my apartment is, so all that's left is to clear out my fridge, which I'll do later tonight.
So where? Like here?
If you want it. Yeah, that looks good.
Okay. I don't want.
Roll up the sleeve.
I don't want fragments of glass in my sweater. Like here. I'm scared. What?
It's not doing anything. What the hell? All right, Erin.
Are you good? Yes.
All right. See you later. Okay, bye. We're gonna go home now. Hello. So it's actually been like a week and I still haven't cleaned my fridge. I did go and get some groceries a little while ago, but I haven't cleaned out my fridge. So that is what we are going to do. We are going to get this done and over with. And then I'm thinking organize a few more things because like I have bins under my bed and stuff that I want to go through. And I have my cabinet shelves. Right, there we go, right here. There's like a little door or whatever that I want to go through. And then hopefully it will be all done. And then I will actually be ready for when I have to pack up and head home in a couple of weeks. So yeah, let's get started. All right, so this is my fridge. As I've shown before, I have a few things that I need to clean up, like literally wipe up. Need to empty out the drawers and wipe them down, blah, blah, blah. I have a bunch of fruit and stuff I need to cut up, veggies to cut up, whole bunch of containers and things. I should probably throw out those eggs since I got them in January. Yeah, let's get started. Also, all of my like counters and table space and stuff is kind of full. So I'm just gonna put down a towel and put everything on the towel. Broken. What the hell? So apparently my vacuum was somehow unplugged from the wall, so it needs to charge. And in the meantime, I'm going to cut up my fruit and my veggies because I know if I don't do it, I am not going to do it. anyways, I will cut up everything and then I guess try and vacuum again. Veggies. Okay, it's not perfect, but look at that. I got rid of all the bad oranges. I have all my veggies. I cut up my peppers, all my fruits and like snacky stuff. And then I have my cheeses, my cream cheese, my sour cream, my butter, my whipping cream, condiments. I can keep all of my waters and stuff right there so I can just grab and go. And then my big juices and milk and stuff. But it's so cute and pretty. Okay, that took me way longer than I thought, so I'm just gonna end this here and I'll see you guys in my next vlog where I will hopefully be actually organizing the last of the things I need to organize. But it's also Saturday, Easter weekend, and I've already started the vlog that I'm doing right now. And I know that I have so much that I have to do. So many finals that are literally due in like 3 days that I have not started yet. So yeah, make sure you go check out that, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.